Extension Linear Relations 5. Make a table of values for the equation. This is your table of values, and the equation is 4x minus 2y equals 10. The left-hand side of the table is x, and the right-hand side of the table is y. When x is 0, what does y equal? We'll use the equation and replace x with 0. 4x minus 2y equals 10. So 4 times 0 minus 2y equals 10. 4 times 0 is 0. So negative 2y equals 10. Negative 2y, to remove the negative 2, we'll do the opposite operation and divide by negative 2. We therefore have to divide the other side by negative 2 as well. The times negative 2 and divide by negative 2 will cancel, leaving us with y. And 10 divided by negative 2 is negative 5. So y is equal to negative 5. When x is 0, y is negative 5. When x is 1, what is the value of y? Replace x with 1 and solve. 4x minus 2y equals 10. So 4 times 1 minus 2y equals 10. 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 minus 2y equals 10. To remove the 4, we'll subtract 4 from the left-hand side. We therefore have to subtract 4 from the right-hand side as well. The 4 and the minus 4 will cancel, leaving us with on this side with negative 2y, and 10 minus 4 is 6. To remove the times negative 2, we'll divide this side by negative 2, and therefore divide the other side by negative 2 as well. The times negative 2 and divide by negative 2 cancel, leaving us with y, and 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. So y is equal to negative 3. When x is 1, y is negative 3. When x is 2, what is the value of y? Replace x with 2 and solve. 4x minus 2y equals 10. 4 times 2 minus 2y equals 10. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 minus 2y equals 10. To remove the 8, we'll subtract this side by 8. We therefore will subtract the other side by 8 as well. The 8 and the minus 8 will cancel, leaving us with negative 2y. And 10 minus 8 is 2. To remove the times negative 2, we'll do the opposite and divide by negative 2. Therefore, dividing the other side by negative 2 as well. The times negative 2 and divide by negative 2 will cancel, leaving us with y. And 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. So y is equal to negative 1. When x is 2, y is negative 1. When x is 3, what is the value of y? Replace x with 3 and solve. 4x minus 2y equals 10. 4 times 3 minus 2y equals 10. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 2y equals 10. To remove the 12, we'll subtract this side by 12. Therefore, subtracting the other side by 12 as well. The 12 and the minus 12 will cancel, leaving us with negative 2y. And for 10 minus 12, we'll add the opposite. So 10 plus negative 12. And 10 positives plus 12 negatives is 2 negatives. So that's negative 2. To remove the times by negative 2, we'll divide this side by negative 2. Therefore, dividing the other side by negative 2 as well. The times negative 2 and divide by negative 2 will cancel, leaving us with y. And negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. So y is equal to 1. when x is 3, y is 1. Next, we'll plot this on the graph. We'll start with x is 0 and y is negative 5. This horizontal line is your x, and the vertical line here is your y. So we'll start here when x is 0, y is negative 5. Next, when x is 1, y is negative 3. Start here. When x is 1, y is negative 3. When x is 2, y is negative 1. Start here, go to 2, x is 2, and y is negative 1. And finally, when x is 3, y is 1. So x is 3, and y is 1. What type of line is this? So connect the dots. You should be getting a straight line. And this type of line is an oblique line.